for the person to be wearing nice clothes, like we mentioned, driving a nice car, this isn't arrogance. And people take it automatically. Like if me or you now, you might turn up to a mosque and you pull up in a nice car. Oh, look at him, subhanAllah, you know, he's a preacher and he's giving lessons and he's driving a luxurious car. Immediately you get those kind of comments and people will refer to how people are suffering over in this place. How can you drive a luxury car? So there's definitely a big misunderstanding. The Prophet Muhammad himself, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when he was given gifts, he sometimes was given expensive cloaks, expensive clothing. He would never say, "A'udhu billah, what is this?" He would wear it. If he had that fine clothing that was given to him, he would wear it. So this is an important thing to mention, that, you know, because we're talking about wealth, and with wealth comes purchasing of certain vehicles, certain clothing, that this is not arrogance unless, like you mentioned, you use it for forbidden things, or it then manifests in your behavior, where you start to drive around and you see a car and you say to that person, get your, you know, cheap car out of the way of my whatever car you're driving. This is the problem. This is where it's really arrogant, but it's not as a standard, which many people are confused with.